Hello friends, welcome to Shavla's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make orange creamy popsicle, or you can call it as orange vanilla popsicle. Very easy. We just need to gather all the ingredients, put it in a blender and just freeze it. Real simple. This is a real summer treat for us. Our kids, they are going to love it. So let's get started. I'll go through the ingredients real quick. Here we go with our ingredients. I'm using this Land O'Lakes rich and creamy half and half. So it have half of heavy whipping cream with half of milk, whole milk. So I'll be using 1 cup of this. You can substitute this with half cup of heavy whipping cream with half cup of whole milk. But this makes my life easy and I like to use half and half. So that's the reason I'm using it. 1 cup of half and half. With 1 cup of juice, orange juice I'm using. Around half cup of vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, it's really optional. If you don't have it, you don't want to use it, just skip it. So I'll be using half cup of vanilla ice cream with 2 teaspoons of sugar with half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Really simple. We just have to gather the ingredients. So let's get started. So in my bowl goes 1 cup of half and half with 1 cup of orange juice. Here goes vanilla ice cream. Again, it's optional. Sugar. And here goes around half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So make sure to use a big bowl because we are going to use a blender. If you don't have blender, that's fine. Just use a whisk. So I'll blend it until it's like mixed very well and it's like smooth. Ta-da! So see, it's ready. It just took me 1 minute and now it's ready to go in the popsicle. Be slowly, be gentle. My beautiful looking popsicles are ready to go into the freezer for 5 to 6 hours with some cups. So you can put it in an airtight container and just serve it as ice cream. But my kid is so fascinated towards the pops. That's the reason I'm putting it in the popsicles. So I'll show you the result after 5 to 6 hours. Look at this. Isn't it looking beautiful? I just took it from the freezer and just put it in under a running water for around 30 seconds and it is ready to use. So I have used some disposable cups with some popsicles. So 2 popsicles, it's already gone because of my kid. He loves kulfi and he want to have it right now. So try out this yummy recipe. So easy. You are gonna relish it. Your kid is gonna relish it. Whenever you'll see a smile on your kid's face having this, you will be so happy. So be happy, be excited, make this dish. And thank you again, Julie Agarwal, for giving such a wonderful and easy recipe which I am showcasing on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.